Hi guys, my name is Sim. I'm a general course student here at the LSE. That means I'm studying abroad at the LSE for a year. So my home institution is Carnegie Mellon, where I'm double majoring in international relations and decision science. So why did I choose to come to the LSE specifically? It was for a few reasons. One, I really wanted to study at the LSE for my undergraduate, but ultimately that didn't happen because I thought London would be too big of a step to take for my first experience away from home. Second, when I was looking at study abroad programs, I really wanted to find a school that was very social sciences focused because that's what my two majors are. And Carnegie Mellon has somewhat of a quantitative approach to some of my majors because it's a mostly STEM school. So that's really how LSE came into the picture. So now it's been about 2 months since I've been at the LSE. It's been a really interesting experience. I would say it definitely did take some time to adjust. That was for a few reasons. One, the academic structure of the LSE is very different than in the US. So they recommend that you take 4 classes for the entire year rather than for semesters like we're used to in the US. And they don't really have, like in the US, we have quizzes and tests and homework to kind of reinforce everything, and then eventually we have exams at the end of the semester or the end of the year, and all of those things kind of combined count towards our end of the year average or end of the semester average. But here at the LSE, most classes tend to have a few formative assignments, so that could be essays, that could be presentations, but then they have summative assignments, which are mostly at the end of the year, and those could be essays or exams. And those summative assignments are what counts for the majority of your grade, rather than a combination of formative and summative. So it's definitely a very different experience than what the US is. It does take some time adjusting to, but the LSE has really great resources that help you adjust. So I would definitely take advantage of those if you do end up coming to the LSE for study abroad. The really great part though is London didn't take a lot of adjusting to as a city. It's in a really fun city and there's so much to do, and even though it's different than where I've lived personally, I think it's a great adjustment and adaptation because it's a city that really kind of welcomes you, and no matter what you're doing, you could go do stuff alone, you could go do stuff with friends, and there's always something to do no matter what time it is of the day. So I'm gonna show you a couple of my favorite sites in London. I hope you guys like it.